Today's Natto Master will cook her special natto dishes. The one on the top is the grinded radish already. And so what she's going to do is stir with longer chopstick or use for cooking. Before adding any natto sauce or Japanese mustard, she is trying to stir very hard, counterclockwise or clockwise. Then this is already prepared the grinded radish. And these are the pre-chopped, the leek, the frozen ones. And now it's come down to this is like very unique because you don't need to just sometimes natto container come with two separate natto sauce and the mustard. So this is like an easy way. I think this is one of the brand has an easy way. What you have to do is push it, and the natto sauce will be poured from one of the containers, and stir it not hard. I'm trying to mix with the grinded radish and the leek, and almost ready. Here is the final product for the day. Yummy!